Good morning class 9. Welcome back to the class. So we were in chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables. We have discussed the geometrical interpretation of a linear equation, solutions of a linear equation, and why do we call a linear equation as a linear equation, right? We have discussed all those things. Today we'll have to plot a line in the Cartesian plane, right? So you have a linear equation in two variables here, 2x plus y equal to 3. As I said, you can represent x in terms of y or you can represent y in terms of x. So here I can write y is equal to 3 minus 2x, right? Now we'll see the ordered pairs, what can be formed. You can take as many number of points as you want, but generally we take 3 points, because if you take only 2 points, it's okay that by joining those 2 points you will get a line segment and you can extend it in both the directions to get a straight line. But to ensure that you have taken the correct coordinates, we consider the third point also. So if all the 3 points are collinear, so the third point is just for verification that we are getting a straight line. Now here I will assume the values of x. On substituting them, I will get the values of y. So if I take x equal to say 0. So 2 into 0 is 0, 3 minus 0, 3. Okay. If I take x equal to 1. 2 into 1 is 2, 3 minus 2, 1. If I take x equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 3 points are sufficient. Even if you want, you can take some more points. I take x equal to, say, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Let us plot these points. x 0, y 3. x 0, y 3. This is the point. Next, x 1, y 1. See, this is x 1, y 1. Here is the point. Okay, x 2, y is minus 1, x is 2 and y is minus 1. So here is the point. Then x 3 and y minus 3, y minus 3 and x 3. This is the point. So join these points and try to get a straight line. So children, use the graph paper to plot a line. Okay. Now whatever this line is, the equation, write it here. 2x plus y equal to 3. This line satisfies this linear equation. Okay. Now second one, y is equal to minus 2x. Already it has been expressed in terms of y. Okay. x, y. I take y equal x equal to 0. Y is 0. If I take x equal to minus 1, minus 1 into minus 2 is positive 2, y is 2. If I take x equal to 1, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, y will be minus 2. 3 points sufficient. x 0, y 0, origin. X minus 1 and y 2. X minus 1 and y 2. This is the point. x1 and y minus 2. x1 and y minus 2. This is the point. So this is the line y equal to minus 2x. Okay. And what is the speciality? This line passes through the origin. Okay children, this is how we plot the lines in the Cartesian plane. You can solve the questions from NCERT. Let's move ahead in this topic. See children, always remember, if you have a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, in this particular equation, if c is equal to 0, if this c is 0, so the equation reduces to the form ax plus by equal to 0. Any equation, any linear equation which is in this form, you have a term of x, you have a term of y, but you don't have a constant. Such lines always pass through the origin, right? So in any linear equation, you have a term of x, you have a term of y, but you do not have the constant term. So this is for sure that the line will pass through the origin. Okay. Now, let us say in this Cartesian plane, x-axis, negative x-axis, y-axis, negative y-axis, origin. Suppose here I have a point 0, 2 and I have a line which is parallel to x-axis. Say this is 1, 2, x2. So this point is 2, 2. This is 1, 2. If I take x equal to say 4, this point is 4, 2. X is minus 1. So this point is minus 1, 2. Say x is minus 3. This point is minus 3, 2. So what do we see? This is a line which is parallel to x-axis, and on this line, in this line we see every point has the same y coordinate. Y coordinate is not changing, x coordinate is changing. Okay. So any line that is parallel to x-axis, equation of a line parallel to x-axis is always in the form y equal to k, where k is a constant. Like here it is y equal to 2. This line is y equal to 2. It can be y equal to 1. It can be y equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 3. Even x-axis, we have discussed earlier in coordinate geometry, equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Why? Because on the entire x-axis, y coordinate is 0. It's not changing. It remains constant. So any line that is parallel to x-axis has a general equation of the form y equal to k, where k is any constant. Okay. Now, say I have a line parallel to y-axis. So this point is 2, 0, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, say minus 4, 2, sorry, 2, 2, x is 2, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 4. This is y-axis. Okay. So minus 2, minus 4. Now we see that x coordinate remains constant for this line. So equation of this line is x equal to 2. Any line parallel to y-axis, equation of a line parallel to y-axis is always x equal to k, where k is a constant. It can be x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 3 by 2, x equal to minus 5 by 2, anything. So this is how we plot a line in the Cartesian plane. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis, equation of a line parallel to y-axis. So children, try to solve the questions, come up with the doubts.